Hi everyone, I'm so happy and excited to finally share this with you. My brush set is officially here. Today during this video premiere, I'm going to show you all the brushes included in this set, how I personally use each one, and what you can create with them. So make sure that you stay until the end because I will also be choosing the winner of the giveaway of one wooden watercolor box to store your paints, one of my original watercolor paintings, one full brush set, and a set of 4 grading cards from my Magic Desert collection. I'm truly so excited about this giveaway and about sharing this moment with you. This brush set includes 6 brushes and I designed it thinking about how I actually paint every day. These are brushes that I use the most for my landscape, my houses, my skies, and all the projects I teach in my classes. We're going to start with the brush, the soft brush number 8, which is perfect for painting skies, backgrounds, and large areas. This brush holds a lot of water, so it allows to the colors blend beautiful and smoothly, especially when painting big skies or soft washes. This one is one of the brushes that I use the most in my paintings. This one is the precision brush number 4, which is great for medium-sized shapes and adding definition to your forms. I love using this brush to build a structure and shapes before adding more water. It doesn't hold as much water as the soft brush, but that's exactly what makes it perfect for more control areas and cleaner edge. Then we have the precision brush number 6, which is ideal when you need something in between. Not as big as the sky brush, but larger than the detail brush. I love using this one for flat washes, moons, or areas where I want even color without too much blending. It's give you control while still allowing enough movement with the painting. One of the most important brushes in this set is the Precision Brush number 2, along with the number 8. This one is one of the brushes that I use the most in my paintings. This brush is perfect for details in houses, roofs, trees, and small elements in landscapes. It gives you a lot of precision without feeling stiff, and it's amazing for learning control with watercolor. We also have the soft brush number 2, which holds more water than the precision brushes. This one is wonderful for creating organic textures in tree branches, foliage, botanicals, and loose details. I love this brush because it allows you to let go a little, create a moment, and work more intuitive with the pigment. Finally, we have the precision brush number 1, which is I absolutely love and I specifically want to include in this set. This brush is perfect for tiny details like windows, doors, roof lines, small accents, and all those little details that bring a painting to life. It gives you great control and is ideal for bookmarks, small paintings, and detailed illustrations. Overall, this brush set is perfect for beginners and intermediate painters. It's designed for small to medium watercolor paintings like 8 by 10 or 11-14 inches. If you are learning watercolor with me, I truly recommend this set because it includes all the brushes that you will need for the techniques that I teach. The quality is excellent. The brushes are cruelty-free and they are made by Craftamo, a UK-based company that supports artists and creates beautiful tools for them. I'm so happy to collaborate with Dan and to finally share this set with you. We have been working for a long time in this set and this is so excited that you can have it now. You will find the link to the brush set in the description of this video. During the launch week, the brushes are already discounted by 10%, and during this premiere, you can use the code for an extra discount. This code I'm going to leave in the description too. This is a limited edition set. We have only 100 sets available. So if you have been asking me like what brushes I recommend, this is exactly what I create in this collection. I want something affordable, beginner friendly, and truly useful for your watercolor adventure. Thank you so much for being here, for support my work, and for sharing this special moment with me. Stay here with me. I'm going to teach you a lot of tutorials, and at the end of this video I'm going to give the name of the who wins the giveaway, and I also check in the comments and sharing more on my stories after the premiere. So I'm excited for you to try these brushes and I can't wait to see what you create with them. Thank you so much and I hope you like this set.